Oh wow, what is going on over there? It's so foggy. That's the costume, and you cannot see anything beyond that. Good morning, guys. Today we are leaving Dongxing, but we're gonna starting today with a bizarre food challenge. I shouldn't say bizarre food. Food is food, but this is just visually stunning. I'm gonna try balut today. You may wonder what is balut. Let me show you. Do you see that? It's like half harvested eggs, and it's a delicacy of in Vietnam. You ready? Let's go. Bro, I've seen people selling all kinds of stuff, to like slippers, cigarettes, to like hardwood bracelets. But I couldn't find anyone selling balut. Let me go back and try again. Alright, I believe I found one. Oh, look at that. Just the hue. Yeah, I think that's it. She's strolling around waiting for me, I guess. 看一下，多少钱一个
5块，
？5块。
买2个是，买一个。
哦，买一个吧。买一个。你是越南人吗？
越南过来。
哦，今天早上过来。哦。
买2个一个。
一个就好了。
有2个anh em nấu。
一个一个吧，一个。Some lettuce, some basil.
Nóng.
哦，柠檬。
有辣椒吗？
可以。
有辣椒吗？
要一点。All right, got it. Let me go back to hotel and eat it. It's so rainy outside. This is it. Ooh, look at that. Holy, okay. Is that like feathers? That is the yolk. I believe that is the egg white. But what is this? Oh my god. I mean, it smells good. Should put like gingers, garlics, pickled pepper, fried garlic oil, and also like little limes. I mean, it smells really good. It just visually really shocking. Alright, enough talking. I'm gonna go ahead and eat it. Woo! A little prep talk. Cock eater on three. Wait, no. Egg eater on three. Egg eater on three. 1, 2, 3. Oh, oh no. Okay. Okay. It tastes like egg yolk. Duck egg yolk. But this part is really hard to eat. Am I supposed to eat it? It is really, really hard. Okay. I guess I'll pass. I'll just have the yolk. Let me try some side, I guess. Try some veggies. The lettuce was good. Oh, it's really fresh. The fried garlic was good. Okay, I get it. You have to eat it together. Let me try again. So little ginger, garlic, fried garlic, pepper, lettuce. Let's go. Yep, that's the way to do it. Well, I mean, visually, it's shocking. But flavor-wise, it actually tastes pretty nice. With all this spice, you cannot go wrong. There's no way you can go wrong with garlic, ginger, and pepper. Only the white part, I don't know why it's so hard. Maybe it's maybe it's overgrown. Okay, I don't want to think about it. I'll just have the yolk, respect the food, respect this duck. Peace. No. Food was good. It just psychologically, it kind of wanna throw out a little bit. I'm gonna finish it. I am gonna finish it. I can kind of see its beaks. Or beak. Fuck it. Oh, what the hell? Yeah. Actually it doesn't feel anything. Yeah, I guess it just has the shape. It hasn't like grown yet. Alright, that's the food review. Finished it. You can see only this part. Don't know how to eat it. It's so hard to chew. It actually tastes good. It tastes great. I guess it's all the spice that gives its flavor. So you don't actually taste anything funny. It's just yolk, basically, except the white part. I don't know how to do with it. All right, that's the food review for today. See? Cool. All right, make sure you like and subscribe. We'll keep on our adventure.